Nothing is more frustrating than starting an anime episode and realizing the closed captions aren't appearing correctly. So let's go to see how to fix the problem of closed captions on Crunchyroll app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Crunchyroll. In this page, we go to this window of account. You will find this list and you will find this sign of closed captions. So we'll tap here to enable this feature. If this feature here turned on or enabled, then you can know how to fix the problem of closed captions. So this is how it works. If you enjoy watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.